Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply custom image to our always on display screen on our Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, first of all, let's just open up our settings application on our phone, and we have to open the lock screen setting. Click on this lock screen setting, and here you can activate your always on display feature. Then we can click on the clock style. Click on this clock style, and here we can select stickers. They are emoji, bitmoji, gallery, or themes. And I'm just going to click on gallery option. I'm going to import image from my gallery. Okay, and I'm just going to select this image, this one. Click on the image, and we can click on done. Okay, now it's done, and I'm going to lock my screen to see how it looks. Okay, and this is the preview of my always on display screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can set custom image to our always on display screen on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.